Okay, I'm going to put this guy right there. I think I'm going to use some, I just happen to have a roll of tape right here. This tape doesn't cut very well. I'm just going to put a little tape right there and a little tape right here. I'm going to fold this guy up because, like I said, 10.5 is a little bit, or I mean 10.4F is like a little bit different. And it is theoretical. And I'm going to write a note to myself that I can do this. I can do this, even though it's super weird, right? And I'm just going to put my example in there that we did earlier. So I times by h times by h, 5x plus x times h equals r times h. Factor out the x, divide by that to get the x all by itself. So stepwise, we're going to get rid of fractions. Oop, I went off the side. That says fractions. By multiplying. And then I'm going to, so that's kind of what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to factor out the GCF, right? Because this was the greatest common factor of these guys. And then I'm going to divide to get x by himself. And again, they aren't all like this exactly, right? Because we did another problem in the video with me. The other gal, she did another problem in the video. These are very, very different looking than anything else that we've done in 10.4. But because it has this factoring piece where we're factoring out this greatest common factor at this point, that's how it relates to what we're doing. Okay, so go do those in 10.4F. Do 10.4's homework, and then I will see you in a little bit, and we will do we'll do a page for 10.5. Yay! You made it through. I think this is the toughest section in all of Unit 10, I think. So you made it. You did it. You guys are fantastic. Okay,